Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure to explain to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of our institute for accepting our invitation to convene this national seminar on the reclamation and management of sandy soils here in India. It is gratifying to note that the agenda of the seminar covers a wide range of very interesting items relating to the physical and chemical properties of sandy soils and especially those related to aspect of water, fertility and management. Generally, under our soil conditions, sandy soil horizons overlay finer texture layers or intermingle in a sequence of layers of varying textual classes. It is in this latter connection that their physical properties such as hydrochloric conductivity modify the properties of the whole profile. We are aware of the tremendous effort made and the large investments in fund and scientific efforts by a number of member countries in reclaiming large areas of sandy soil in the making the desert bloom. We wish them every success in their noble endeavors to develop their land and water resources and increase agricultural production. We are only too anxious to hear our distinguished colleagues report on their recent research development in the field of land reclamation and management. No matter how much we can do by ourselves on the national level, whether it be research or development, it is never enough in spirit of true cooperation. We in this region, the world, are proud of nurturing all the past and present civilization and cultures. We must join in a action-oriented course effort to attack and solve the problems that beset land and water development. If on the national level we can and must pursue agricultural development as a multidimensional concept encompassing the economic, social, institutional and physical elements of development in a wider sense, it would be relatively easy to effect the necessary adjustments for a truly effective cooperation on the regional basis. This is fully consistent with our official position taken and the full support of the concept of international agricultural adjustment at this conference. We will discuss two types of speech in this video. In concluding with, I wish you a very success in your deliberations and a very pleasant stay during this national seminar. Thank you, all of you. बंद कर